Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, power passenger seat, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, heads-up display. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.